how to connect Apple AirPods to Android. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Apple AirPods to an Android device, whether you're switching from an iPhone or just want to use your AirPods with Android. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, grab your Android phone and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Simply swipe down from the up and open the Bluetooth and make sure it's enabled so you can pair your AirPods. You can simply swipe down from the top of your screen and go to Bluetooth settings. Now you need to put your AirPods in pairing mode. To do that, open the AirPods case with the AirPods inside and then press and hold the small button on the back of the case. Hold the button until the LED light on the front of the case starts blinking white. This means the AirPods is in pairing mode. Now back on your Android phone, you can see AirPods or AirPods Pro appear in the Bluetooth list. Simply tap on it to pair. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation sound in your AirPods, and that's it. You're all set. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Apple AirPods to your Android device.